It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a fun video showing you guys some easy Christmas treats for kids. You guys know I have a 2-year-old named Brooks, and I know he's going to absolutely love these. These are good ideas if you need to take a treat to your kid's Christmas party or just treats after school. These are all really simple, no bake, no mess, easy to plan ahead treats that I know your kids will just love. So if you are interested, just keep watching. I'm so excited that today's video is in collaboration with Housewife Glam Life, and I absolutely love her videos. She makes all kinds of what's for dinner, recipes, all kinds of different good stuff. So if you guys like my channel, I know you will love hers. Head over and check out her video as well. But let's go ahead and get into what you're gonna need for each recipe. I will have little clips shown here, and then we will get into how to make each one.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile.
The first recipe is Grinch Kabobs, and these are so easy. All you're gonna need are green grapes, raspberries or strawberries, and mini marshmallows and toothpicks. So what you do is you take your green grape, put it on the toothpick, then layer on the raspberry and then the marshmallow, and it kind of gives a Grinch effect, like a Santa hat with a Grinch. So super fun. Brooks loved these, and this is also a healthy alternative to a snack.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
The next snack is peanut butter reindeer crackers. Brooks loves peanut butter crackers, and he actually likes them just homemade. They're at home, so I thought this would be a neat twist on that, and we're gonna make reindeers out of it. So I'm just setting out my crackers now, getting all of the antlers ready, and then I'm going to lay out my chocolate chips, and I'm going to also dig out some red M&Ms for the Rudolph nose. So once I get all of that lined out, then I'm going to get my peanut butter and just add a little scoop of it on each cracker. And then I'm going to stick the antlers into the peanut butter, and that's kind of going to be the glue for the whole thing, is just the peanut butter itself. So I'll just stick the pretzels on, anywhere is fine, and then I will place the nose on the bottom and then the mini chocolate chips for the eyes. So this is super cute. Brooks loved this. He actually had one while I was making them and tried to make one himself. So very fun idea. I also put this one in the fridge just so it could harden up a little bit and keep a little bit longer.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
This next recipe are Snowman Donuts, and this one is super easy. This is if you're on the go, maybe need something for your kids' class or just a cute little breakfast. And for this one, all you need are some cheap donuts, frosted ones. I found these at Walmart. The whole package was only $3 for all of them, so I thought that was pretty good. You're just gonna tie some red ribbon around the first donut to kind of give a snowman effect, and then you're just gonna take your markers, black and orange, and you'll make the carrot nose and the buttons and the eyes, and then you're gonna take some felt and make a little top hat and then just hot glue it on. And that is as simple as it gets. So these are so cute and so handy to just throw into your kids' bags. The next treat is something that will also be really quick and easy for busy mamas, and that is Rudolph pudding. So all you need for this one is some chocolate pudding and some red pom-poms and then a package of googly eyes. So you're just going to hot glue the Rudolph nose onto the pudding as well as the eyes, and that is it. Super simple and easy. Now if you wanted to jazz this up a little bit, you could add some antlers. You could either do this with mini candy canes. I personally didn't have any on hand, or you could also use pipe cleaners. So overall, it's a really cheap, inexpensive, and really cute snack.
I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way, a reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing, it's the time of year again.
Okay, and number 5, this is the last one. This one is definitely the most time consuming, but still very simple, and that is Christmas tree grams. And for this one, you're going to need some green melting chips, you're going to need some Rolos, some graham crackers, some M&Ms or sprinkles, and that is it. So what you're going to do first is melt the wafers. So just go ahead and pop those into the microwave. I did 30-minute or 30-second increments and just stirred it up. While that was cooking, I made my graham crackers ready. I just broke them in half. That's all you're going to need for this. And then I actually put the Rolos in the freezer to harden them up a little bit so they'd be easier to cut. And once they were nice and halfway frozen, I just cut them in half. And then by that time, my wafers were ready to go. So I just put the chocolate into a plastic baggie and then cut one of the corners and then just made little mini triangles for the Christmas trees. And I'm going to spread it all out with a toothpick, and then I'm going to bring it down a little bit for the stump, and that's when you're going to stick the Rolo on, and then you'll also put M&Ms and sprinkles. So that is it. Super simple, and Brooks loved this one, so I thought they turned out really, really cute. I also stored this one in the refrigerator. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing these Christmas treats. Let me know if you are going to try out any down below in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so